In this video, I'm going to show you how to find high traffic, low competition gigs to start on Fiverr. So if you want to make $100 per day on Fiverr, watch this video because I'm going to show you exactly step by step what you need to do to start making $100 per day. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for your free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so you want to start making money on Fiverr, but you might feel like it's too competitive. If we jumped over to Fiverr.com, and you wanted to, let's say, maybe you wanted to create logos, you're going to say, wow, this is too competitive. So if we just typed in like logo design here, you're going to see there are thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of services out there with people that want to create logos. You're going to say it's too competitive, it's impossible, and you're going to look at other ways to make money. Maybe you want to start writing. So if we just typed in writer like this, and we hit enter, once again, you're going to see hundreds of thousands of services or hundreds of thousands of people that are in your same niche that want to write for you. And once again, you might be telling yourself this is too competitive and you go look elsewhere to make money. But what if I told you there's a couple different ways that you could find low competition, high traffic keywords where you could become one of a very few sellers and actually make money? For example, let's take a look at this one right here. You could be a Discord mod. There's only 529 competitors, and this person here charges $100, and they have 65 reviews. So they've made at least, if we did the math here, $6,500 being a Discord mod. But you can see that this is an opportunity. Or what about product photographer? 347 services available. If we just took away photographer like this, you're going to see there are thousands of people that are interested in being a photographer of some sort. Or even this one right here, if we look at flyer designs, 29,656 services available. But if we did urgent flyer designs, you're going to see there's only about a third of that competition. We can look at this one also for Discord emotes. 860 services. When we compare that to maybe just a designer of some sort, there's a lot of competition. As you can see, over and over again, there are very few people. Look at this, Fortnite logo, only 34 services available. However, if we looked at logo just over here like this, you're going to see that there are over 268,000 people that are willing and able to create logos. So do you want to compete against 268,000 people, or do you want to compete against 34 people? I will make a custom Fortnite logo and header. So I'm sure you're wondering how I did this, and there are a few different ways to do it. There's the easy way that's going to cost you a little bit of money, and then there's the more difficult way that's going to be free. So let's go ahead and talk about the easy way first. The first thing that I did, and just want to make sure, oh, look at this one, PC part picker. You will make money about $5 or $10 to pick PCs for people, PC parts for people. And believe it or not, there's also a website. If we go to like PC part picker like this, there's a website that will actually do this work for you. So if we go to PC part picker, let's say that 3 times fast, and you put in the specifications that the person wants, that the person that you're working with wants, you put in the specifications and you can come back with this build, and this is completely free. And you could make an easy $5 to $10 relatively quickly with this. And then I just want to show you this one, white background, pretty competitive. And this one, Instagram captions, I definitely want to show you this one. Only 517 services available for Instagram captions, and you could actually get these captions for free. People are charging anywhere between $15 and $100 for Instagram captions. And what you could do is type in Instagram captions free right into Google, and it'll bring you over to this website, Copy AI. And so it's going to be, what is your post about? And you're going to basically send this type of information over to the person that you're working with. So if they sign up to work with you, you're going to say, make a Google Doc and let me know what each post is about. And so maybe one post is about how to make money with Fiverr, and then you could do something like friendly. And there's a bunch of these out here. You don't just have to use copy AI. You just type in free Instagram captions like this. And so you are going to see Instagram, spell captions right, like this, Instagram captions. And you're going to see that there are websites out here that do free Instagram captions for you. But if we come back over here, you can see that there are a bunch of these different ones out here that you could take advantage of. Now, if you wanted to, you could invest in different robot tools to help you even faster, but you might not have to do it because you're using the software. But you can see all of these are low competition, and especially with this last one, you could make $100 per day just doing working with 2 different clients. Only 517 services available, so relatively low competition for the amount of money that you can make. So let's go ahead and without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about how you can do this. Again, there's 2 ways. There's a free way and there's a $7 way. What I'd recommend that you do, and what I did, is I head on over to Ahrefs. It's a keyword research tool that I use to help me find keywords relatively quickly. I typed in the domain name, so Fiverr.com, and I just kind of scrolled through and looked for things that stood out to me. For example, one of the things that's pretty popular, if we look at logo like this, you're going to see that people are looking at both logos and a certain type of logo. For example, YouTube logo. If we keep going here, Minecraft logo, we can copy this once again, and you're going to see the difference. If we just go up here and we type in logo like that, and you're going to see once again, I think it was like 268,000 competitors or services that are available. But if we go here and we paste in Minecraft logo, you're going to see that there's a stark difference. Only 126 services available, and essentially a Minecraft logo is the same thing as just a logo. It's just for a niche down audience. Now, if we take a look, Minecraft logo is searched 43,000 times per month. Now, this is numbers from Google. If people were searching Minecraft logo in Google, you can see there are searched 43,000 times per month. But there's opportunity. If we keep going here, you could create individual services or gigs for different types of logos. And that's what I recommend that you do. If you make logos, if you're a logo designer, I would make sports logos. So if we come here like this, once again, we're going to paste in sports logo like that, hit enter, and there's 3,000 services available, which is still much better than competing against 268,000 people. And you can just sift through gaming logo. Another thing that you can do, which is interesting, is type in coach. So if we do that, if we look at this, people are looking up all sorts of different coaches. We could be a dating coach, for example. If you have the knowledge and skills to be a dating coach, we're going to paste this right into there, and there's only 142 services available, and you could simply just create different gigs and potentially make money. So this is the easy way, and the reason why I say it's easy is all of the keywords are pulled out for you. It would only cost you $7 for 7 days. What I'd recommend that you do is, let's say you wanted to be a logo designer, you would go to Site Explorer, put in Fiverr.com, and then type in logo like this. You're going to get a list of keywords. We are going to click export, and then we're going to download the first 1,000 rows. So when we download the first 1,000 rows, this is going to download to our computer, and then we can actually cancel the trial so that we're not charged for it. But as you'll see on the screen in just a moment, you'll see all of the keywords, and then you can go through and make individual services. And this is a easier, more straightforward way to make money than trying to shoot in the dark. I personally don't want to compete against 268,000 people. I want to compete against 126. And as you can see, if we pull up our sheet here, you can see this actually gives you the best way. Etsy logo. So let's type in Etsy like this. Etsy logo. Only 423 services available. So what you can do is you can create these different gigs, and then step 2, this is a bonus step, you don't have to do this, is you can go out and fulfill buyer requests. And what you'll do is there's going to be a little link up here that has like BYOB or special requests, you're going to click on it and you're going to apply to every one of those requests. The reason why you want to apply to those requests is so that you can actually start making money even faster. So the method that I'm showing you, where there's low competition, you'll probably start making money within a week or so, depending on which avenue you go in. But if you do the buyer request, you have the opportunity to make money the same day that you create the logo or you create the service or the gig. Now, you're limited to creating or submitting 10 buyer requests per day, so you want to make sure that you're being strategic about it. But this is the paid way. If you have $7 to invest in a freelancing business, this is what I recommend that you do. However, if you're looking for a free way, what you can do, because Fiverr is a search engine, is you can come up here and go through each letter of the alphabet and hit space and see if something pops up. So as you can see here, QR code with logo. If we click on this, you're going to see that there are 6,000 services available. If you don't have the money, you have time, and this is going to take you significantly longer to find low competition because you're simply just going to go through each letter of the alphabet. Look at this: watercolor logo, website logo, car wash logo. Let's do watercolor logo like this. And you can see 2,000 people. This is going to take you much longer than the method that I showed you, but this can work as well. Real estate logo. We'll click on this. Now you can do this for graphic design. You can do this for tattoo artists, whatever it may be. But as you can see, this is going to take you much longer because right now there are 29,000 services available. In just a few minutes, I found something that was actually less competition. But again, you can do this if you'd like. So we can just do, let's go back here and type in, let's type in Discord. We'll type in D for Discord. And as you can see here, Discord, 262 services. And so you're just going to have to spend time sifting through and trying to figure out ones that are low competition. DJ logo, this is going to take you a significantly much longer amount of time doing it this way. But if you don't have the $7 to invest, you can do this and this will work for you. Now, obviously, once you start making these different gigs and services, you're going to need to create them. You can create them using free software or paid software. You can use everything from Blender. You can use Canva if you have the skills and ability. Canva for me takes a little bit longer to manipulate. But this, I mean, this could net you $100 per day if you are consistent and persistent. Now, the only drawback to this method is that it's active income. You're going to be actively working, and you'll only make money when you're actively working. If you want to learn more about passive income, or at least semi-passive income, where you get paid for work that you've done previously, so for example, a YouTube video or affiliate marketing, that's passive or semi-passive income. I create a YouTube video, I create a blog once, and I can make money from it over and over again. If you want to learn more about semi-passive income, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.